Sit straight, spine erect, eyes closed. You can sit in Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana, whichever asana. Well, let's chant Om 3 times. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in for Om. And relax. Let's start with the neck exercise. Left and right, 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 up and down, 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 up and down. Gently rotate your neck. Make a big circle. पूरा शून्य बनाएंगे, पूरा गर्दन को घुमाएंगे. And come to the center and opposite direction. Viprit disha. Reverse the direction. And come to the center and relax. Shoulder rotation, कंधों को घुमाएंगे. And come to the center and opposite direction. Viprit disha. And come to the center and relax. Relax. Take your left hand behind. अपने दाएं हाथ को बाएं हाथ से खींचेंगे. Stretch your shoulders. And come to the center and opposite. And relax. Relax. We'll do a spinal twist. Your right hand on left knee and twist your body. Keep twisting your body. And come to the center and opposite. Keep twisting your body. Stretch with support of both the hand. Keep twisting. दोनों हाथों के सहारे से कमर से ट्विस्ट करेंगे. And come to the center and relax. Now let's come to the cat stretch. बिल्ली बन जाएंगे सब लोग. Both the palms under your shoulders. ब्रीद इन, पुल योरसेल्फ अप, ऊपर खींचेंगे अपने आप को, एंड ब्रीदिंग आउट, चिन टू द चेस्ट, अपर बैक अप, ऊपर खींचेंगे अपने आप। अगेन ब्रीद इन, पुल योरसेल्फ अप, and breathing out, chin to the chest, upper back up. Again breathe in, pull yourself up, ऊपर खींचेंगे, कमर को नीचे खींचेंगे, pull your lower back down, pull your head up, feel the stretch in your back. And breathing out, chin to the chest, upper back up, create the hump. And relax and come to the center. Now your right hand and left leg straight. Hold your ankles, pull the leg up and relax. Opposite side, left hand and right leg. Keep the knee straight, elbow straight. Hold the ankle, pull the leg up and relax. Relax. Now let's rotate the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Relax. Now the left leg, rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Relax in Shishwasana. Relax in Shishwasana. And slowly come to Parvatasana. Adhomukho Svanasana, downward dog. Stretch your leg, पैरों को पूरा खींचेंगे, नी स्ट्रेट, घुटनों को सीधा रखेंगे. Stretch yourself up, keep your spine straight, feel the stretch in your leg. And relax. Relax. Now slowly walk towards your hand and stand up. और खड़े हो जाएंगे. Relax. Let's start jogging. Little warm up. Stretch. Lift your leg up. पैरों को और ऊपर उठाएं. रोटेट योर हैंड्स, हाथों को घुमाएंगे. लिटिल फास्टर, फास्ट करेंगे. Reverse the direction of your hand. Change. Jump. Twist your body. And walk slowly. Relax. Keep walking. Take a deep breath in and breathe out through mouth. One more deep breath in and breathe out through mouth. And relax. Relax. Interlock your hands and pull yourself up. ताड़ासन. ऊपर खींचेंगे अपने आप को. Pull yourself up. Heels up. And come down and relax. Relax. Again, interlock your hands. Pull yourself up and bend to your right. Both the feet firmly on the floor. दोनों पैर जमीन पर ही रहेंगे और साइड से झुकेंगे. And come up and opposite. And come up and relax. Relax. Now, left hand up, right hand down, and stretch yourself up. And come up and relax. Opposite side, left hand down, right hand up, and bend to your left. Keep stretching the hand in opposite direction. And come up and relax. Relax. Now spread the leg. Keep 1 meter distance between your feet. Right feet perpendicular to the wall and bend from the side. Trikonasana. स्ट्रेच. जितना नीचे झुक सकते हैं उतना झुकेंगे साइड से और ऊपर देखेंगे अपने हाथों को. And slowly come up and opposite. Now the left leg perpendicular to the wall and bend from the side. And come up and relax. Relax. Now balance your weight on both the feet. Focus on one point and lift your left leg In Vrikshasana, keep it on your thighs and take the hands up. Vrikshasana. Stretch your arms up. And relax. Opposite side, left leg down. Lift your right leg up and take the hands up. And slowly bring your hands down and relax. Relax. उत्कट आसन. Sit on your chair. दोनों हाथों को ऊपर कर लेंगे. Bend your knees and bend down. नीचे झुकते रहेंगे. Keep your buttocks away from the body. Go down, 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 down. Gently go down and sit in Malasana. विश्राम करेंगे. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा रखेंगे एंड रिलैक्स. आराम से बैठ जाए. दोनों पैरों को फैला लेंगे. स्प्रेड द लेग. इंटरलॉक योर हैंड्स एंड रोटेट. चक्की चलाएंगे पूरा सर्कल. मेक अ बिग सर्कल. बड़ा शून्य बनाएंगे. एंड कम टू द सेंटर एंड अपोजिट. विपरीत दिशा. And come to the center and relax. Now hold your both the toes. दोनों पंजों को पकड़ लेंगे. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा करेंगे. घुटने सीधे खींचेंगे अपने आप को ऊपर. पुल yourself up. Breathe. Your spine erect. Both the knees straight. Keep your spine erect. Deep breathe in and breathe out. And relax. Relax. Now both the legs together. Sit in Dandasana. Keep your spine erect, knee straight. Make 90-degree angle with the floor. 90 का कोण बनाएंगे जमीन के साथ. घुटना सीधा. And relax. Now bend your left leg, feet touching the thigh. Breathe in, hand goes up and breathing out, bend forward. जानु शिरासन. सांस लेते हुए हाथ ऊपर और छोड़ते हुए नीचे. जानु शिरासन. Touch your head to the knee. Keep the knee straight on the floor. And come up and relax. Relax. Opposite leg, left leg straight. Bend your right leg. Feet touching the thigh. Breathe in, hand goes up and breathing out, bend forward. And come up and relax. Relax. Ardha Matsyendrasana. So your right leg on the floor. You can watch me carefully. Right leg on the floor. Left knee facing the ceiling. Now crossing the leg, you hold your ankles and twist yourself behind. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Keep twisting. Continue deep breathe in and breathe out. And come to the center and relax. Now the left leg down, right knee facing the ceiling, crossing the legs, hold the ankle and twist. And come to the center and relax. Relax. Let's lie down on the stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाएंगे. Elbows on the floor and kick your buttocks. Keep kicking your buttocks. And relax both the legs together. दोनों पैर एक साथ. And relax. Relax. Chin on the floor. Palm facing ceiling. Ardha Salabhasana with your right leg. Lift your right leg up, knee straight. जमीन से थोड़ा ऊपर उठाएंगे, 6 इंच ऊपर. घुटने को सीधा रखेंगे. And relax. Now the left leg up. And relax. Now make a fist of your hand. दोनों हथेलियों की मुट्ठी बना ले. Tap it under your groin. अपने जंघा के नीचे ला लेंगे. Lift both the legs up. दोनों पैर एक साथ. And relax. Relax. Both the palms under your shoulders. दोनों हथेलियों को कंधों के नीचे लगा ले. And lift your chest up to navel. Bhujangasana. Keep pulling yourself up. ऊपर खींचते रहेंगे अपने आप को. कंधों को ढीला छोड़ के. And slowly come down and relax. Relax. Both the arms in front. दोनों हाथों को सामने की ओर फैला लेंगे. And lift your chest up and thighs up. विपरीत सलभासन. दोनों हाथों को और पैरों को ऊपर उठा लेंगे. And relax. Relax. Bend your knees. पैरों को मोड़ लें. Hold your ankles. पंजों को पकड़ के अपने आप को ऊपर खींच लेंगे, धनुरासन। कीप पुलिंग योरसेल्फ अप। And relax. Relax. In Makarasan, bend both the hands, make pillow of your hands, and bend your right leg and relax. विश्राम करेंगे मकर आसन में। And slowly turn on your side and lie down on the back. पीठ के बल लेट जाएंगे। Relax, take a deep breath in and breathe out through mouth. नौकासन, दोनों हाथों को पीछे ले जाएंगे एक साथ दोनों हाथों को और पैरों को ऊपर उठाएंगे। नी स्ट्रेट। And come down and relax. Ardha Pavan Muktasan, bend your right leg, pull the knee towards the chest and lift your head up. Keep pulling the knee towards the chest and bring your head down. Release the leg. Left leg, pull the knee towards the chest and lift your head up. And bring your head down. Release the leg. Now both the legs together, दोनों पैर एक साथ। And bring your head down. Release the leg and relax. सेतु बंधासन, feet near the buttocks. पैरों को नितंब के पास रख लेंगे and lift your waist up. अपने आप को ऊपर उठा ले। You can support of your both the hand, lift your waist more. हाथों के सहारे से कमर को और ऊपर उठा ले। And slowly come down and relax. विश्राम करेंगे। Spread the arms by the side. दोनों हाथों को फैला लेंगे या हाथों को अपने सर के नीचे रख ले। Now both the knees together. Drop the knee on the left side and head to the right. Twist your body. And come up and opposite side. and come up and relax. Now spread the leg. Drop the knee on the left side and head to the right. Twist your body. And come up and opposite. And come up and relax. दोनों पैरों को सीधा कर ले. Now take your right leg on the left knee and with the left hand pull the knee on the left side. Twist your body, Natarajasana. Try to touch the knee to the floor. And come up and relax. Opposite side. Now left leg on the right knee and twist. And relax. रिलैक्स. दोनों पैरों को सीधा कर लेंगे और विश्राम करें. शवासन में लेट जाए. Both the palms facing the sky and relax. We will do Yog Nidra. Relax your legs. Relax your right leg. अपने दाएं पैर को ढीला छोड़ दे. Relax your left leg. अपने बाएं पैर को ढीला छोड़ दे. Relax your waist. कमर को विश्राम में छोड़ दे. Relax your stomach. पेट को ढीला छोड़ दे. Relax your shoulders. कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दे. Relax your right arm. अपने दाएं हाथ को विश्राम में छोड़ दे. अपने बाएं हाथ को विश्राम में छोड़ दे. Relax your left hand. Relax your chest. अपनी छाती को ढीला छोड़ दे. Relax your neck. अपनी गर्दन को ढीला छोड़ दे. Relax your face. अपने चेहरे को शिथिल कर दे. And keep lying down in योग निद्रा. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दे और लेटे रहे. Relax entire body and keep lying down for some time.
relax. Whenever you feel complete, turn to your right side and with the support of both the hands sit up. अपनी दाई और करवट लेके दोनों हाथों के सहारे से उठकर बैठ जाएंगे।
Pranayam. So we will start with Bhastrika Pranayam. So for Bhastrika, you have to sit in Vajrasana. For Vajrasana, you can sit on your heels, both the feet touching each other. Sit like this. And you have to forcefully breathe in and forceful breathe out. I will show you one time. When you breathe in, the hand goes up, and when you breathe out, the hands come down like this. Okay, so you have to do the pranayam with the count. Keep your eyes closed. So let's do together with the count. I will give you the count.
Let's start with Bhastrika Pranayam. Forceful breath in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, and relax. Observe the flow of energy in the body and relax. Get ready for second round of Bhastrika. Forceful breath in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, and relax. Observe the flow of energy in the body and relax. Get ready for third and final round of Bhastrika. Forceful breath in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, and relax. Feel the flow of energy in the body and relax. Those who are sitting in Vajrasana, Gently come out of Vajrasan and sit comfortably, easily in Sukhasan.
Now we'll start with Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Sit in Padmasan, Ardha Padmasan or Sukhasan. Left hand in Chin Mudra on your left knee. With the right thumb, close your right nostril, breathe out from left. Breathe in from left, close the left, breathe out from right. Breathe in from right, close the right, breathe out from left. Continue in your own rhythm. And after completing this round, relax. Sit straight, spine erect, eyes closed. You can sit in Padmasan, Ardha Padmasan, Sukhasan. We will do meditation. Breathe गड्डी सीधा कर ले, आंखें बंद कर ले.
We will do a meditation. अब हम ध्यान करेंगे. आराम से बैठ जाए. Sit comfortably, easily. आरामदायक स्थिति में बैठ जाएं और अपनी आंखें धीरे से बंद करें. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep and slow breath in. एक लंबी गहरी सांस धीरे धीरे अंदर लेंगे और बाहर छोड़ेंगे. Allow your body to relax with each breath. अपनी हर एक सांस के साथ शरीर को विश्राम में छोड़ दे. Let go outside world for a few minutes and just focus entirely on yourself. कुछ मिनटों के लिए बाहरी दुनिया से अपना ध्यान हटा ले और पूरी तरह से खुद पर ध्यान केंद्रित करें. Take a deep breath in and you exhale. Feel your entire body beginning to relax. एक गहरी सांस लें और जब आप सांस छोड़े तो महसूस करें कि आपका पूरा शरीर आराम करने लगा है. Now take your attention to your feet. Relax your feet. अपना ध्यान अपने पैरों पे लेके जाए और पूरा विश्राम में छोड़ दे. Feel your chest expanding as you breathe in and as you exhale. Let go any tension in any part of the body. जब भी आप सांस ले रहे हैं तो महसूस करें आपकी छाती फैल रही है और सांस छोड़ते समय पूरे शरीर के तनाव को छोड़ दे. With each inhale, feel your body becoming lighter, and with each exhale, Let go any heaviness, stress in the body. Breathe in the calmness, breathe out the stress. जब आप सांस लेते हैं तो कल्पना करें कि अंदर शांति की लहर आ रही है, और जब आप सांस छोड़ते हैं तो यह धारणा करें शरीर से सारे तनाव और चिंता बाहर जा रही है। Now imagine yourself in a peaceful place. It could be a serene beach or a quiet forest or any place where you feel safe and calm. अब खुद एक शांतिपूर्ण स्थान पर बैठे हैं इसकी कल्पना करें। यह कोई समुद्र तट हो सकता है या शांत जंगल या कोई भी जगह जहां आप सुरक्षित और शांत महसूस करते हो। Notice the details of the place. Feel soothing energy around you, letting it wash over your mind and body. अब इस स्थान की सारी छोटी छोटी बातों को महसूस करें। एक वहां की ऊर्जा को महसूस करें जो आपके शरीर और मन को पूरी तरह शांत कर रही है। Every breath you take in this peaceful place brings more deeper relaxation. इस शांतिपूर्ण स्थान पर आप सांस ले रहे हैं और छोड़ रहे हैं, इससे आपको गहरा आराम मिल रहा है। As you, as you stay in this peaceful place, if any worry or thoughts are coming, imagine that you are placing them into the gentle stream nearby, allowing them to be carried away. जब भी आप इस शांतिपूर्ण जगह पर हैं, आपको कोई चिंता और तनावपूर्ण विचार आते हैं, ये कल्पना करें कि नजदीक की किसी धारा में उन्हें डाल दिया और वह उन विचारों को धीरे धीरे बहा ले जा रही है। You don't need to hold on to anything. Just let your thoughts drift away like leaves floating on the water. अभी आपको किसी चीज को पकड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है। अपने विचारों को पानी में बहने वाले पत्तों की तरह बहने दे। Take more few deep breathe in and breathe out. लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर लेते रहे और छोड़ते रहे. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. अब अपना ध्यान शरीर पर लेकर आ जाए. You can move your fingers and toes. अपनी उंगलियों को हिलाए. Whenever you feel complete, slowly open your eyes.